Einer neuen Generation von leistungsstarken Obsterntemaschinen. Die OE4 ermöglicht Äpfeln, Sauerkirschen und Pflaumen. OE4 besitzt eine Straßenzulassung. Die Umstellung von Bei einer Arbeitsleistung von durchschnittlich 6 Bäumen pro Minute entspricht dies bei einem Ertrag von 50 Tonnen pro Hektar einem spezifischen Volumenstrom von 22 Tonnen pro Stunde. Die spezifischen Kosten, beispielsweise für eine Tonne Mostäpfel, liegen im günstigsten Fall etwa 56% niedriger als bei einer manuellen Ernte, der Obsternte.
We took the things you loved about the S600 combine and added more. Integrated automated technology, features that improve ease of use and give you the most out of your combine. Before you begin, check out the redesigned command arm and multifunction control lever. Programmable buttons and shortcuts are comfortable and easy to use, making those long harvesting days easier than ever. The multifunction control lever also controls platform tilt, which lets you make easy fore and aft adjustments without leaving the cab to see the unloading auger. Then, give our new foot pegs a try. These will give you comfortable support on long harvesting days. Add more with active yield. It eliminates time-consuming manual calibrations and replaces them with automated sensors that measure the change in weight as the tank fills, so you can make decisions in real time without leaving the cab. More importantly, it gives you more accurate yield mapping. And to help ensure that you are getting clean grain in your tank with minimal loss, the S-Series offers the Dynaflow Plus Cleaning Chew. A larger sieve reduces tailings volumes by as much as 28%. And in shoe-limiting conditions, you get 10% more capacity and can further improve grain quality and reduce losses with the new Combine Advisor package. As you know, conditions change often during harvest. Combine Advisor maintains the performance settings you choose, no matter the moisture or crop conditions. Active terrain adjustment helps minimize grain loss and reduces tailings when harvesting on rolling terrain. A grain analysis feature shows what is clean grain versus foreign material. You will have confidence that the changes you or Combine Advisor made are improving the grain sample, even on the go, as conditions change. Whatever the conditions or the operator, the new S700 combines automatically give you consistent grain quality in a comfortable and easy-to-operate environment. Eliminating the need for manual calibrations gives you the confidence that your combine is compensating for changing conditions, even if you can't see them. You will get complete control over anything the harvest season throws at you.